Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to send a secret message to your friend in Roblox without any else knowing? Let me show you how to whisper like a pro. First of all, make sure you are in the same game or server as the person you want to whisper to. Next, press the chat button or use the slash key to open the chat box. Type slash w followed by your friend username like this. Then type your secret message and hit enter. Boom. Your whisper is sent and only they can see it. Now you can strategize, plan pranks, or just chat privately with your friends. Easy, right? Whisper away and keep your secret safe. If this helped, like and subscribe for more quick Roblox tips. Thanks for watching.